To get amongst the goals for Molynes United, and your impact certainly has helped the team continue to climb up the Premier League tables. Tell us how you feel about being back in the league and how your contribution has helped to assist Molynes in the quest for a playoff spot.
Well, first of all, I have to thank God, of course, for His mercy and for His favour upon Molynes. And the team has been on high energy, the effort and everything has been fantastic. And I'm just a player, just with some experience, I'm trying to do my best, and fortunately it's paying off for us over the last couple of weeks.
The goals from Molynes all three came in the first half, and then the team kind of seemed to shut it down. But we must be happy that the team is getting that many goals and moving in the right direction, back-to-back wins. Certainly the camp, it must be a good time in the camp right now.
Yes, the energy is high, the spirit is high. So it's going good for us, and as I said, we just keep the foot on the gas and try to press forward.
Do you think that the playoff spot is within reach now, based on where the team is in the team?
Yes, definitely. With 7 more games to go, 21 points, and we're off the top 6 by 8 points. So I think we have a shot at it.
What keeps you going? What's your motivation?
My motivation?
And what keeps you going?
First, my motivation, to be honest, is God, and then just to make my family proud, make myself proud, and just to show Jamaica what I have, the talent that God gave me.